Today is about our first opening of this brand new office space. We've had a chance to take a tour around each of the rooms and understand how we can work differently in those spaces than we may have worked before.
The last place was essentially a big office space, all the same thing, and then some meeting rooms that were all kind of similar. Here you've just got a lot of breakout areas that are different. I think having it split up will actually make it more collaborative as well, so we have more open space meetings and probably get those ideas flowing.
Beforehand I probably wouldn't have wanted to bring one of my customers to the office, but now it really reflects our vision to reframe as a health and wellness drinks brand, and feels like an inspirational place where we can discuss ideas a bit more openly.
It literally was quite jaw-dropping when we actually came in for the first time. Having been sort of held back for a few weeks, it's been that impressive in terms of the first impressions that you get when you come in here for the first time.
I think the space is amazing. It's just so vibrant, and I think the flow that's being created will really help us with our ways of working. So it's absolutely stunning. It's just lots of passion, lots of creativity.